This is Meldon Viaduct Station on the Dartmoor Railway in South Devon. The station lies a few miles up the line from Okehampton on the line that runs down to Exeter. At one time there was also a railway halt here for workers going to the quarries, the granite quarries which were owned by British Railways. Several trainloads of granite ballast used to leave here each day. However, the requirements for the type of ballast changed, and there's no granite quarry at this time. Further up the line, Meldon Viaduct still stands, nowadays only used as a cycle path on the path that runs down via Tavistock, Alston into Plymouth, all of which at one time was part of the main line running from London Waterloo to Plymouth. There has been talk of reopening this section because of the problems with the sea wall at Teignmouth and Shaldon and the inevitability of global warming, making that line having much more expectation of closures over the coming years. Okehampton lies on the edge of Dartmoor, and during the summer season, Devon County Council, in association with Great Western Railway, run a number of Sunday Rovers trains from Okehampton down to Exeter. The Okehampton trains run in conjunction with the Dartmoor Railway up to Meldon. Over the festive season, a number of Christmas-themed trains are run, and they run from Meldon down via Okehampton to Sampford Courtenay.